Welcome to In the Kitchen with Martha, and today we're going to make stuffed chicken breast. So let's go ahead and cut this chicken breast so that we can season them. Okay, here's our first chicken breast cut. Now we're going to cut this one. Let's remove this. Okay. So we also cut it. So we have cut it in half now. And we're going to season it. So I'm still using this 6-gun grill. And I'm seasoning the chicken. And I'm also going to add this exotic spice. So that's it for the chicken. And we're going to put it aside so we can make some vegetables we're going to fill it with, and then we can get started. So I'm going to make a filling now. I've got here with me a green pepper, and I need just a quarter of it. So that's it, and I cut it into slices. And I have some red onion. I'm going to add red onion slices as well. So this is what we're going to use, and we're going to add some olives as well. These are the olives, the black pitted olives. and we're going to cut them in half. So I've got to put the filling in a clean bowl. Season. I'm using Aromat and the seasoning as well. Aromat seasoning, sorry. And then I'm going to add mayonnaise to this. Sorry. So to this, I'm going to add mayonnaise. And I'm going to add honey mustard. And this will be my stuffing for the chicken. So the chicken is here now, and we're going to stuff it. Our chicken is stuffed now, and we close it. You can even use a toothpick to close it well. And yeah, so I'm going to use some toothpick and close it properly and grill it. Here are some toothpick, and I'm securing the chicken. So I'm going to grill it for 180 degrees until it's golden. So here's our chicken. It's going to the oven at 180 until it's golden brown. And yeah, we're going to turn it halfway.